Now let's talk about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations, right? For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. So let's see some examples now. I'm going to declare two variables. Let num1 is equals to 4. Let's also declare a num2. Num2 is equals to 3. Now let's perform addition operation. Let sum is equals to num1 plus num2. It should be num2. That's how we can perform. Let's console log now. Console log sum. As you can see, it is returning 7 after addition operation. I can also find difference between those by performing subtraction. Let difference is equals to num1 minus num2, right? What error are we getting here? Okay, we are mistyping the variable name. It should be num2. Okay, now if I also console log diff, as you can see, 4 minus 3 is 1. Let's also perform multiplication. Let mult is equals to num1 into num2. Let's also console log that. Okay, now let's also perform division. Let div is equals to num1 divided by, sorry, that should be num1 divided by num2. Let's also console log. That's right. Now also let's also perform remainder. Let, that is modulus. Let remainder is equals to num1 modulus of num2. Save. Now let's console log this also. Remainder. Okay, that's how we can perform arithmetic operations using these operators, right? Now let's also perform some calculations. Now I'm gonna say const pi 3.14. That's right. Let radius is equals to 100. Now let's find the area of circle. We know the formula of area of circle is pi r square, right? Let's perform area of circle. Const area of circle is equals to pi star radius and one more time radius, right? Now if I console log the area of circle, area of circle is not defined. CIR, yes, I made spelling mistakes. That's what it is returning, the area of circle. The area of circle is in meters, 100 meters, length in meters, right? Now let's also perform weight of an object. For that I'm going to define const gravity is equals to 9.81, that is meter per second square. That's what the gravity of Earth is, right? Let's also define mass is 72 kgs. Okay, now if I want to calculate weight of an object, I can say const weight is equals to mass star, meaning multiplication, gravity. Now if I console log the weight, as you can see, there we have our result. That's how we can perform calculations using these arithmetic operation inside of JavaScript. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to talk about comparison operators. So I will see you in the next one.